To be very brutal, the landscape is such that your clients today, not to scare you, not to cause fear, but if you don't get up to speed, your client will always be another advisor's prospect. You need a co-driver to keep you on track, to speak to you. And therefore, you know what, retirement planning and all that in financial planning is really a long game. And that's why you need a co-driver, which is your financial planner.
Really very bite-sized, very easy for me to digest.
I have already actually applied some of the things that I learned just from day one, and it has already given results.
It's very applicable for me to use into my insurance planning.
Allows me to further value add to my clients.
With Eugene's technique itself, I managed to get the client to do one ILP plan, a total premium of $200,000, to do another 3 more ILP plans. Total premium comes up to somewhere about $400,000. We also did some coverage plans after disclosure itself. I managed to get my MDRT this year, just with one client.
Eugene course, right, usually helped me to speed up the whole sales process actually. And average deal size, right, went from 1,000, 2,000, all the way to 3,000, 4,000.
After listening to what Eugene had taught me, I cleared my first MDRT and also the International Dragon Awards. My income is doubled, and also my team respect me more.
As a result of the framework that Eugene has taught me, I managed to speak to a total of 4 clients, 2 of which have directly referred their parents to me, and the other 2 are also exploring for their own selves.
After I attended Eugene's course, I met this prospect using the proper estate planning framework and the languages that Eugene had taught. After the appointment, she immediately referred 5 friends to me.
Very genuine and sincere person.
His knowledge about estate planning is very good. Eugene's course is very interesting, also very exciting, especially with a lot of some of his case studies.
So Eugene also gave me a lot of useful tips.
After attending Eugene's course, I managed to talk to a client about estate planning, and from there I managed to close a single premium case, 150,000 annuity plan.